Okay, we're on our feet and we're going to start by releasing the lower back. So, feet hip width apart, then bring your elbows and your forearms down to your thighs, curve your upper spine and release your lower back. So feet hip width apart, elbows and forearms to thighs, curve your upper spine, release your lower back. And then stand up tall, we will release the upper back. Cross your arms and clasp your hands out in front of you. Bring your chin down towards your chest and release your upper back. Arms crossed and hands clasped out in front of you. Chin down towards your chest. Release your upper back. And we will open up the chest, so clasp your hands behind your head. Inhale as you lift your chest up. Just pull your elbows back a bit, and that will open up your chest and will also give you a bit of a stretch through the triceps. So hands clasped on the back of your head, chest up, elbows back, and open the chest up. You'll feel that engage the muscles in the upper back as well. Okay, we are going to do all of that again, so let that go. We'll start again with the lower back. Elbows and forearms down to your thighs. Curve your upper spine and release your lower back. Stand up tall to release the upper back. Cross your arms and clasp your hands out in front of you. Bring your chin down towards your chest and release the upper back. And then open up your chest by clasping your hands, placing them on the back of your head, lifting your chest up and just pulling your elbows back a little bit. Open the chest. Okay, let that go. Let's stretch the legs. Let's start with the quads. So the quadricep muscles, front of your thighs. So bring your right hand to a wall. That'll just help with balance. Pick your left foot up in your left hand. Bring your knees together. Bring your left heel towards your backside. Just push your hips forward a little bit if you can, and stretch the quadriceps on the left leg. So right hand on wall, left foot in left hand, knees together, left heel towards your backside, hips forward. Release the quadriceps. And we would do that on the other side. So left hand to a suitable wall. Pick your right foot up in your right hand. Bring your knees together. Bring your right heel towards your backside. Just push the hips forward a little bit and stretch out the quads on the right. Let's do that once more on each side. Right hand to wall, left foot in left hand, knees together, left heel towards your backside, hips forward, stretch the quads on the left leg. And on the other side, left hand to wall, right foot in right hand, knees together, hips forward, stretch the quads on the right. And next, we will stretch the hamstring muscles. Hamstring muscles, back of your thighs. Okay, so feet hip width apart, then step your left foot back, sit your hips back, bring both your hands to your left thigh and release the hamstrings on the right leg. So your feet stay hip width apart, you step your left foot back, sit the hips back, hands down to your left thigh, release the right hamstring. And that on the other side. Step in, step your right foot back, keep the feet hip width apart, sit the hips back, bring your hands to your thigh, release the left hamstring. And once more on each side, step in, left foot back, hands to left thigh, hips back, and if you want to go a little deeper with the stretching of the right hamstring, just pull back the toes of the right foot. And the other side, step in, right foot back, hands to thigh, hips back, and pull back the toes of the left foot. And next, the calves, down here. So, feet hip width apart, and just left foot back. Keep that left heel into the ground, we're stretching out the left calf, and then left arm up, over, left hand to your upper back, right hand pushes down on the left elbow, and stretch out the left triceps. Left foot back, heel into the ground, stretch the calf on the left. Left hand on back, stretch out the left triceps, and swap sides on that. Step your right foot back, right arm up and over, hand to back. Left hand pushing down right elbow. Stretch the calf muscles on the right and the triceps on the right. Okay, shake that out. Let's go back to the lower back. Feet hip width apart, elbows and forearms into your thighs, curve your upper spine, release your lower back. Stand up tall, cross your arms and clasp your hands out in front of you. Bring your chin down towards your chest. Release the upper back. And clasp your hands, place them on the back of your head, lift your chest up, pull your elbows back, open up the chest. About 70 seconds left to go. Alright, shake that out. Take your right arm across your body. Bring the inside of your left forearm to the outside of your right forearm and stretch through the outside of your right shoulder. Right arm across, left forearm on outside of right forearm, stretch the right shoulder. And that on the other side, left arm across, inside of right forearm to outside of left forearm, stretch left shoulder. 30 seconds left. Okay, shake that out, then clasp your hands in behind your back. Pick your chest up, stretch through the front of your shoulders. All right. Roll your shoulders. Shake it out. Let it go. We are done.